Hey guys, I'm Darren. I'm a lifestyle photographer and content creator based in London, UK. I'm going to share with you some quick tips that I use every day to create my content over on Instagram. Today we're going to be using Adobe Premiere Pro, and I'm going to show you 3 quick tips that will help you edit your video footage faster for Instagram stories. Sometimes I like to put stories up using content I've shot on my mirrorless camera because it just gives the content that much more of a professional look. So using these tips, you'll see how Premiere Pro makes it really easy, and best of all, you can get a story edited in a matter of minutes. For tip number 1, we're going to create a preset with the exact settings for Instagram stories. This will save you so much time and hassle, as you can just open it up whenever you need to create a story and it will be ready for you to just drag your footage onto and crack on. The first step is to create a new sequence. Click on the new item icon and choose sequence. We're going to choose the 1080p 30 preset under the Digital SLR folder, and then head over to settings and change the frame size to the correct dimensions for Instagram stories, which are 480 by 852. The final step is to save this as a preset by clicking Save Preset, and we're going to name it IG Stories Vertical. So now it's just going to be saved here under Custom, so anytime you want to recall it, just create a new sequence and select it from here. Now you can see our blank sequence has been created in the correct Instagram Stories vertical format. Tip number 2 is a really simple one, but it will make you way more productive, and again, it will save you so much time. I'm going to show you how to resize your video clips just by clicking on them and dragging, rather than having to enter values the old-fashioned way. To resize your clip, select it by double-clicking on it in this area here, which is called the program window. And then you can resize by dragging the handles and also move it around to position it to your liking. As a bonus tip for more precise positioning, hold down the shift key whilst dragging the clip to just move in one direction. Now if we press the spacebar to play the clip, we can see its current positioning, and you can just keep doing this until you're happy. The final tip is showing you how to loop a single video clip. This can come in especially useful when you want to fine-tune the clip, such as when you're trying to get the perfect positioning. So here's how. The first step is to set an in and an out point. So position the playhead over the beginning of the clip where you want to start the loop. Then use I on the keyboard to set the in point. Do the same thing to set the out point at the end of the clip by pressing O on your keyboard. Next, press the loop playback button here in the program window, which will activate the loop. Press spacebar to play and you'll see your clip will now loop. As an example of how this can be useful, you can see on this clip that it needs repositioning on the right hand side. So I'm just going to double click and drag it over to reposition. And now with the clip looping, you can see it's much better positioned. If you want to create your own version of what we just run through, then head over to adobe.com now, where you can download the exact files that we used in this tutorial. We've also linked some other similar videos down below. So we'll see you in the next one.